from Tajmotormedics. We're working on the Audi again. This is basically the part 3 for this particular model. This is an Audi A7 on a 2012 plate, which we did in the first part, which we did a headlight bulb for a D3S bulb. That didn't fix the problem. Then we did a second part for the fuse, which the fuses were good, so we came down to this. It's the ballast for the headlight, control module basically for the right side headlight. I'm going to show you how to replace it. This is a quite simple procedure, and if you did want one, to remove the panel, there is a part number on there which is right here. So basically that's the part number if you did need one. But to do it is simple. I've already undone everything. As you can see yourself, the arch lining is out. In the first part I'll show you how to remove it. You've got these little screws here, you've got a grommet and a 10mm. The tools you need is a T25 and a T20. Screwdriver, nose plier, whatever you've got. Now the bit we're replacing is this bit right here. So that's the ballast for it. So with this one, we're going to put a T20 and unscrew it. So there's only 3 screws. So you've got one on this side. And then you've got one on this side here. So I get this one out, and then the last one we have is right at the bottom there. This ain't gonna just pop out because it's got a seal around it, so, and they are a little bit stiff as well. So once I do this, take the screws out. All I now do is give a bit of a wiggle and it pops out. So what we've done is we've got the seal in there, so I'm just gonna stick my hand in, get the seal out, get the wires, and then bring it down a little bit. So basically this is what we're replacing. So you've got a plug here which you put your finger in, take the plug out, and then this one, wiggle wiggle, and then take it out. So it's here right there. Okay, and then we've got a new one. We're going to replace the new one. They're exactly identical with the part numbers and everything as well. So that's the Audi original one, but this ain't an original one, but it does the job. So we're going to put a new one in there now. So we've got a clip. First one is this one. So clip that one in first. Make sure it clips in right. Then we've got the second one. Make sure we clip that in right. And then we gently push it in into the hole. Line it up and then up. That's it. Now I'm going to put the screws back on. We've got the first screw here, then we've got the second one in that corner, and then we've got the third one here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just put the baluster on, screw it in, check the lights, make sure the lights are working. I'm not going to put the arch lining in now, so the video will end just on me just talking about the light working, and that's it. You can obviously do the rest, and I'll do the rest myself here as well. And if you did find this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share where possible. And there is a special thanks button nowadays as well on YouTube, so click on that if you can. Right, now that's all screwed in. Brilliant. So I'm going to let go. We're just going to check the light. That's working. And yeah, here you go. That's brilliant. Right, that's all it was on this particular model. Mission accomplished. If there is anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. I will share the links for the other videos as well, the part 1, part 2. So do check them out as well. If you were to replace a bulb, you know how to do it. It's a D3S bulb. Link be in the description. With this baluster, I won't have a link for this. I'll find out, see if I can put a link for the baluster as well. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.